Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot: is YNAB free or paid? Now, if you're new to personal finance, YNAB, or you need a budget, might sound like a magical app that'll solve all your money woes. And while it can certainly be a powerful tool, there's a catch: it's not entirely free. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of YNAB's pricing, let's talk about why it's worth considering in the first place. Why YNAB? YNAB's unique approach to budgeting sets it apart from many other financial tools. It's based on the idea of zero-based budgeting, which means you allocate every dollar of your income to a specific category. This helps you become more mindful of your spending and avoid overspending. Here are some of the key features that make YNAB a popular choice. Category budgeting: you create categories for your income and expenses, ensuring every dollar is accounted for. Debt tracking: YNAB helps you visualize your debt and create a plan to pay it off. Savings goals: set specific savings goals and track your progress towards achieving them. Budgeting reports: get insights into your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Is YNAB free? So, now comes the big question: is YNAB free? Unfortunately, no, it's not. YNAB offers a monthly subscription plan that gives you access to all the features and benefits of the app. While there might be other budgeting apps that offer free versions, YNAB's comprehensive features and dedicated support make it a worthwhile investment for many people. Is YNAB worth the cost? Whether YNAB is worth the cost is a personal decision. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and improving your budgeting habits, YNAB can be a valuable tool. However, if you're just starting out and want to try a free option first, there are other budgeting apps available. To summarize, YNAB is not a free app, but it offers a robust set of features that can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether or not it's worth the cost depends on your individual needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about YNAB or budgeting in general, feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks. Until next time.